Welcome to the Baypoint Lagoon video series on birds. This episode focuses on white pelicans. Arguably the most majestic flyer in the avian world, the white pelican begins visiting Baypoint Lagoon in mid-spring. Their soaring arrival is one of the most captivating sights we residents get to enjoy. Initially, one or two can be seen circling high over the lagoon to make sure it's safe, and then slowly descending. It is the first visible daytime moon in May. We know that within a few days, many more will arrive. And here they come. Sometimes in small groups like this, and sometimes the whole flock. And the only thing on their minds is food. The first stop is the salad bar. They have found the all-you-can-eat buffet, and the ever-popular dessert bar. If you look closely, you can see that many other avian residents have joined in. This is because the way pelicans feed scatters fish in all directions, providing lots of opportunities for other birds. So let's look at the way pelicans fish. They have three distinct styles of feeding. The first technique is called the lunge, as demonstrated by this group. They first lower their heads to get a clear view of the surface of the water. When they see small fish near the surface, they lunge forward with their mouths open. Let's look at that maneuver in slow motion. She lowers her head to get a clear view of the surface. She is waiting for small fish to appear. Suddenly, there are ripples on the surface. She instantly lunges forward with her mouth open. She was successful. Their second method of fishing is called the scoop. The scoop technique is used when they are hunting fish closer to the bottom of the lagoon. To fully understand this maneuver, we need to slow it down. First, she spots the school of small fish she wants to attack. Next, she turns her head sideways and plunges deep below the surface with her mouth wide open, then quickly lifts her head. This fills her neck pouch with gallons of water containing the fish. She then pushes the neck pouch with her beak against her body, expelling the water and trapping the fish. Now, all she has to do is swallow. When white pelicans want just a light snack, they employ their third fishing technique, the pickup. The pickup method is where the white pelicans herd the minnows onto shore and simply pick them up. In case you missed that, here it is in slow motion. Pick up minnow, toss into throat pouch, swallow. White pelicans also exhibit a behavior not seen in any other bird. They hunt in packs. Here is a group with a precision attack. They quickly reform for another attack. And another. White pelicans have turned this form of hunting into an art form, a fact that did not go unnoticed by Tchaikovsky. In fact, our research confirms that the working title for his first ballet was White Pelican Lake. For the next 5 months, the white pelicans take full advantage of all the amenities Baypoint Lagoon offers. But all too soon, the cool wind of autumn arrives. It happens in mid-October. They take off as if they were just going on another short trip nearby. But they are not. They are leaving for the winter. We know this because they slowly begin to circle the lagoon. With each circle, they rise higher and higher. Within a few minutes, the entire flock is 1,000 feet in the air. They reach an altitude where the air is thinner and the currents are going their way. With unspoken precision, they begin forming into smaller groups for the long trip. Barely visible to the naked eye, they veer south toward Mexico and vanish. We will not see them again until the first visible daytime moon in May. Thanks for stopping by, and don't forget to check out the other wildlife videos on this channel.